We're trying to figure out, of the fruit that arrives at the cannery, what percent by weight is canned. All right, so we're dealing with percent, so let's just say we start out with 100 pounds of fruit. Of the fruit that arrives at a cannery, 20% by weight is rejected. So if 20% is rejected, you're left with 80%, but if you have 100 pounds, that means you're left with 80 pounds. Now, of the fruit that is processed, 15% by weight is rejected before canning. So 15% is going to be rejected for some reason. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 8 is 40. And that's going to be 0 and 8. 0, 0, 12. 2 decimal places, that's 12. We started with 80 minus 12, and that's going to give you 68. Wait, is that right? 68. Yeah. And of that fruit, nothing else happens. Of that fruit that arrives at the cannery, what percent by weight is canned? So 68%.